Warning.
Ready.
What's up, YouTubers, foodies, friends, and family? You know who it is. You know who it is. It's your boy, the Urban Chef. Today, just having fun as always. Today, what I have for you, I have the coconut rice with pineapple, the coconut pineapple rice. Man, I mean, this is full of flavor. It's off the chain here. It's crazy and stuff. This is good any time of the year, definitely in the summer months, but my motto is if it's good, it's good. It ain't about just being seasonal, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, today, you know, I had some difficulties, technical difficulties, people not showing up, you know how that goes. But anyway, enough of that. The show goes on. My motto is improvision. That's my motto. Improvise, the show goes on, and that's how the Urban Chef does it, baby. Still feeling good, you know, but anyway, I'm rolling solo today, so check it out. Ingredients. I got the basmati rice. Man, I love the basmati rice. The texture, man, that's it. Just the flavor alone by itself. That was some chicken stock or vegetable stock. You're great. Got some scallions, of course, my favorite, cilantro. Got some julienne celery here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna dice that up. Got some toasted coconut. Like I said, it's a coconut rice.
Really?
Just some cilantro sprigs. I got some julienne pineapple here. All right, some more to add to the profile. Got some ginger and some garlic. Oh man, those two are like, that's like brother, sister, boyfriend, girlfriend. Ginger and garlic sitting in the tree. Ginger and garlic. Anyway, ginger and garlic goes great together. We all know that. Anyway, a little bit of chicken stock and of course some coconut milk. With this coconut milk, with the thing with coconut milk, you can go to stores and stuff. They have some that's a little bit sweet and some that's not. I just added a tad bit of sugar to this, just a little bit to sweeten it up, and then with this pineapple, we're gonna get the natural sweetness for this rice. It's not supposed to be a sweet rice, and it's not supposed to be a fried rice either, but it's just bold, popping flavors. Anyway. Dun, dun, dun. As always, let's start with a hot pan. No gloves. Gotta go with the sanitizer. Remember that. Keep them hands clean, people. You know that. Let's keep them clean. Let's keep the mask on. You know what I'm saying? Let's do all that good stuff. Hey, while I'm thinking about it, you guys go out there and vote, man. Please vote.
Bingo.
I'm not gonna get deep into that, but every vote counts. And believe it does. And you see the situation we are in now. So please go out there and vote. Get you some sanitizer, keep your hands clean, and wear these masks. All right, enough of that. Let's get back to the good stuff. Okay, as always stated, a hot pan, we're heating that up. I had some onions, I just lightly, well, they're not caramelized, I just lightly sweated them out right here. This isn't going to be a fried rice, so either way, we're going to just get these going right here. I just had a little butter, a little clarified butter, a little butter and some oil right there. What we're going to add next, we're going to take the celery right here. This is just some julienne celery I did. Julienne is just a nice thin strips. We're going to dice this into a small dice. You don't have to do it fast. Like I told you, everybody wanted to cut fast and stuff. I remember in culinary school, everybody was like, that's the thing. It was like when they could start cutting fast. Like cutting fast when people will come. It doesn't matter. Cutting fast doesn't make your food any better. It looks great, but nah. Anyway, at home, remember safety. Always remember safety. Yup, so we dice these guys up. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my God, I can smell it. I can smell the aroma right now. We're gonna just let them go for a second. Oh yeah, a little pepper in there. Tiny bit of salt. Don't need much because the chicken stock has already has some sodium in that. Anyway, next, I'm gonna add some of this garlic. Keep all them evil spirits away for sure. Good for your heart. Red wine and garlic good for your heart. Gonna put some ginger in there. We got that up there. Gonna throw a few of those scallions in there now. Just move that around. Yeah, we're gonna move that around. Oh my God, this is amazing. Makes you feel like you're exercising. Get it. Just having fun. Anyway, oh yeah, but this is great. The garlic, the ginger, celery, onions, a little salt and pepper. We're gonna hit that with a little chicken stock. A little bit. The rice was cooked in a little vegetable stock, but sometimes I like that chicken stock. Here we go. Oh my God. Look at that.
Warning.
Then we're gonna add the rice to it. Oh yeah, nice. That basmati, man. The basmati, I fell in love with that years ago. Long time ago when I was in San Diego. I had a buddy, Chef Cambyse. And we used to make grape leaves in his house in San Diego. We were doing side hustles. But he would have basmati rice and stuff. And we would eat hummus and chibuli and basmati rice, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, toss that around a little bit. While that's going, of course, the favorite, sprinkle that cilantro on there. We're gonna turn this down. Like I say, this is not a fried rice. Just gonna marry all that. I'm gonna take these pineapples. Oh, Bumbo Chef. Anyway, that's what happens. This is live, baby. Ha ha ha. But anyway, I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna small dice these. I just julienne them. This is a fresh pineapple. I mean, you can use a can. I try to use fresh when I can, but like I said before, just use what you have. You know, if you got some canned pineapple at home, that works. Oh my God, look at it, look at that. You got the green and yellow, you know what I'm saying? Green and yellow, green and yellow, green and yellow, green and yellow. Just having fun. Oh yeah, this is amazing here. Then we're gonna hit it with the little coconut milk. Just a little bit, see where you at with that. Yup. Oh yeah, this is coming along. Let's turn this up a little bit here. This is great, man. Oh yeah. You don't have to cook it, the rice was already cooked. You're just blending all the flavors and stuff. I used to do this for events. Man, this flavor just pops. I'm telling you, this goes great. I used to serve this with I used to do this crazy, like this rum raisin peach. I would get fresh peaches, saute them, to glaze them with a Jamaican rum. There used to be this Jamaican rum that came in this white bottle. Oh my God, it was not just regular rum. Jamaican rum had a little sweeter taste to it. It was great, man, it was great. Then I would put that with like a seared pork loin, a peach rum raisin sauce with some of this. I got Christmas cards, birthday cards, bottles of wine. Like I said, the flavor is amazing. But anyway, this is it. This is another easy peasy lemon squeezy. Simplicity and affordability. I'm just having fun. Simple to make, and it's affordable. That's what it's all about. Look at this. Now this is gonna top it off. You got the toasted coconut. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, where you at, Becky? Becky's one of my biggest fans. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is what's up, baby. We're gonna throw a few more scallions on that. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna take this here. See what we got here. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that, look at that. Almost like a risotto or something. It's not a risotto, but just look at the colors, man. Look at the color contrast. If you can smell these flavors, you're like, yeah! That's what's up, Urban Chef! Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. Now that's eat healthy, live longer there, baby. That's for sure. Oh my God. Look at that, we're gonna put a few more scallions on top of this, baby. Oh man. Put a few more scallions, throw a little cilantro right there. Like I said, I'm working solo today, baby. I'm gonna bring this up into the camera. Look at this. This is Eat Healthy, Live Longer, baby. Ah! The Urban Chef. Hey, you guys at home, don't forget to like and share. Let me get a spoon with this. That's what's up there. Give me a pinch of salt on that. That's a pinch. I love that garlic, the coconut. This is great, man. You can eat it as a side. Eat it as a side dish. Serve it with favorite chicken. This would be great with like some duck. A duck with a wild cherry sauce. Man, the sky's the limit. Anyway, I'm the Urban Chef. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, keep these masks on. Please keep these masks on. go out there and vote, man. Everybody complaining the situation we in, but every vote counts. You know what I'm saying? Hey, while I'm thinking about it, the Eat Healthy, Live Longer aprons, they will be coming soon. They will be coming soon. Support the Urban Chef for sure. But I'm gonna keep you posted on that. But this is amazing here. Remember, a happy cook makes happy food. Eat healthy, live longer. Oh! Eat healthy, live longer. Oh! That's great.